All right, so we are still talking a lot of showers and the chance for thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon. I know this morning we woke up to drier conditions and blue skies with just some cloud cover, but as we head into the rest of the afternoon, you can see that the system is not over yet. That low pressure system is just now moving onshore, and so it is causing some light scattered showers depending on where you live. And then as we head into the next couple of hours, as we continue to see more of the temperatures warming up, that daytime heating is going to allow some of these showers to turn possibly into thunderstorms. So there is still a chance, there's still that risk that we could see thunderstorms once we head into the afternoon. So you can see the way it's rotating counterclockwise, that low pressure system. It's going to continue to push off to the east and then finally lift out of the area later today. But for now, take a look at what's happening. We're starting to see a lot of this activity coming in right off the ocean. So we do have a large rain cell that moved in from Norwalk and went toward La Habra, passing through Hacienda Heights, and now it's on its way toward Pomona and also really bringing some rain over to the Chino Hills area. We're also looking at a large rain cell sitting over the Calabasas area, and as we zoom in earlier, we saw some heavier showers pushing through right along Topanga Canyon. And then now we're also looking at more of the rain cells starting to push onshore to areas right near the coast of Orange County. We did have reports of pea-sized hail just south of Orange County in the Camp Pendleton area. So again, there is some chance that we could see some more hail, possibly even some thunderstorms as we head into the next few hours. So I just want to show you really quick with the visible satellite. When you're looking at this, you're probably looking at, okay, there's just a few clouds here and there. But again, our air is very unstable from this system. So any breaks that we're seeing in the clouds with that sunlight is going to increase the unstable air and push that air up to the top, which causes that lift and causes one of the mechanisms for these thunderstorms to really pick up once we head into the afternoon. So that's why most of the time we see these thunderstorms in the afternoon after we get to the hottest part of the day. All right, so rain totals, here's a look. Again, preliminary rain totals. These numbers could change depending on where you see the rain later this afternoon. Mount Wilson saw just over half an inch of rain for Claremont as well, under half an inch for Santa Ana and for Bell Canyon, and then Southgate and Huntington Beach saw over a quarter inch of rain. Here's a look at Hemet and also Rialto, where we did see right around half an inch of rain for these areas, and then Chino Hills just over a quarter inch, same with Whittier, and then just over a quarter inch for Northridge and under a quarter inch for Saugus. And here's a look at some other cities. Again, this was hit or miss depending on where you live. So LAX saw about 1/10 of an inch. Downtown LA barely saw anything from this latest storm system. We still have these advisories. We still have these warnings in place until about 10 p.m. until the system fully leaves the area. And then highs today remain below average because of this first storm system. 51 out the door right now for Van Nuys, 54 for downtown LA, 52 also for areas like Riverside and San Bernardino. So the futurecast shows that this system will continue to stick around for the afternoon. And then by the time we head into the evening, most of it's pushing off to the east. And then we're looking at a drier day for Wednesday. Wednesday will be the buffer day between the two systems. And then on Thursday morning, we start to see that second system pushing through to Ventura County and then finally making its way over to LA County around the lunch hour. And then by the time we head into the evening, we start to see some heavier showers pushing in. And this is basically going to linger with us for most of Thursday and into Friday. And we could even see some of the lingering showers sticking around till about Saturday morning before things warm back up by the beginning of next week. Back to you.